Jobs had so much to share, but he didn't have time to say thank you, Babaji, Lahiri, and Yogananda, for showing me the way. Christ disappeared for 18 years, no gospel says a word. Muhammad meditated in a cave for 30 days alone. Came back knowing the Quran, a book he didn't write on his own. The Sufis gave us Rumi, gave us Hafez in the Persian word. They called it fana, means you die, but really means you won. With everything, samadhi, same explosion, different tongue. If this is fake, if all of this is just a fairy tale, then why does every single culture find it without fail?
I don't know why I'm shaking. Something old is waking up. No one ever told me about this kind of power. Time to listen up.
I am the light behind my eyes, I can't look away no more. I am. There might not be a distance between me and God, and I'm afraid.
God, I'm afraid
of what I'll become
if I stop looking away.
This isn't magic,
This isn't fake.
it's the power no one told me that I had. Steve Jobs read Yogananda every single year, the only book he kept until his vision grew clear. Henry Ford believed in past lives, sat with yogis after dark. The men who built the modern world were chasing the same spark. Now here's a part that burns as heat below my stomach isn't lust, it's fuel. 5 seconds of ejaculation leaves you hollow, leaves you dull. But one night I held it back for hours and my brain lit up like God. If I can orgasm with my mind alone, then what else have I got?
I don't know why I'm shaking. Something that was always there.
I am that I am. The light behind my eyes, I can't look away no more. I am
That I am.
There might not be a distance between me and God, and I'm afraid
God, I'm afraid
of what I'll become if I
stop looking away.
This isn't magic,
This isn't fake.
it's the power no one told me that I had. Frank watched men die in Auschwitz, not from gas but giving up. The moment hope collapsed, their bodies just said that's enough. If hope alone can keep a heartbeat, if despair alone can kill, then the mind is not a passenger, the mind is at the wheel. I asked God to move me out of rhyme when I was just a kid. Didn't know what I was praying for, didn't know what faith did. But if everything is light, if matter's just light compressed, then let there be light as in scripture. It's physics, nothing less.
I am that I am. The light behind my eyes is not a metaphor. I am that I am. There is no distance left between me and God, and I'm not scared. I'm not scared of what I'll become when I stop looking away.
The Sufis knew the yogis, knew Muhammad, knew inside that cave. Jobs knew reading every page. I am that I am. God is not above me, God is in our spine. Do Kriya for hours, the decision is ours. I am that I am. Oh,
The body is a rental, the soul is never died. Consciousness is your body.